Landscape artificial lighting is an enticing fusion of art and science that has the power to transform outdoor spaces into enchanting realms after sunset. Far beyond just illuminating pathways or security concerns, landscape lighting adds depth, character, and a touch of magic to gardens, yards, and other outdoor living areas. Outdoor artificial lighting can transform an average outside space into a fascinating nighttime paradise when thoughtfully designed and installed. Whether you want to create an inviting ambience, accentuate key features, or increase security around your property, landscape artificial lighting plays a pivotal role in achieving these goals. In this video, we will explore various lighting methods and strategies to enhance your outdoor space, including landscape downlighting, landscape uplighting, landscape front lighting, landscape backlighting, landscape cross lighting, landscape flood lighting, landscape grazing lighting, landscape hanging lighting, and landscape wall wash lighting. Landscape downlighting is a technique where light fixtures are installed high above the ground and directed downwards. This approach is perfect for creating a soft, moonlight-like glow that improves visibility while maintaining a tranquil mood. Outdoor downlighting can be used to guide your guests safely through your garden or along your walkways by strategically placing downlights to illuminate paths and steps. Highlight the natural beauty of your trees and shrubs by installing downlights in the branches or above them, casting captivating shadows and textures. Extend the usability of your outdoor living areas, such as patios and decks, by installing downlights in overhead structures like pergolas or trellises. Landscape uplighting is a method that involves placing light fixtures at ground level, pointing upwards. This technique creates dramatic effects by accentuating architectural elements and vegetation from below. Spectacularly illuminate the facade of your home, garden walls, or statues with outdoor uplighting to create a visually striking effect. Uplighting can make your trees come alive at night, casting enchanting shadows and creating a canopy of light. Using properly placed uplights, you can draw attention to exterior art pieces or focal points in your landscape design. Landscape front lighting is all about highlighting the front-facing aspects of your landscape. Outdoor front lighting creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Make your entryways more inviting by lighting the front of your house, emphasizing the architecture, and ensuring guests feel safe and welcome. Use front lighting to define the edges of your garden beds or borders, creating a visually appealing boundary. Landscape backlighting, also known as landscape silhouetting, is an artful technique that involves placing lights behind objects, creating silhouettes and a sense of depth. Highlight the intricate details of plants and foliage by backlighting them, creating stunning shadows against walls or other surfaces. Create intimate seating areas with a cozy atmosphere by backlighting hedges, bushes, or decorative screens. Landscape cross-lighting is about providing even illumination from multiple directions, reducing harsh shadows, and creating a balanced effect. Light up both sides of your house or trees with cross-lighting to eliminate shadows and showcase the texture and depth of your landscape. Ensure your outdoor dining area is well lit by using cross-lighting to evenly distribute illumination. Landscape flood lighting implies the use of high-intensity lamps to provide a broad, even wash of light over large areas. Outdoor flood lighting is perfect for open yards, extensive gardens, or recreational areas like basketball courts and swimming pools. Increase security around your property by installing floodlights with motion sensors to deter intruders. Landscape grazing lighting is a method that involves placing lighting fixtures close to textured surfaces to create fascinating patterns and visual depth. Enhance the beauty of your hardscape elements like stone walls and textured surfaces by grazing them with light. Highlight the textures of your garden items to make them stand out at night. Landscape hanging lighting can add a touch of whimsy and elegance to your landscape. Decorate your outdoor seating areas with hanging lights to create a romantic and comfy ambience. Suspend lights from trees or arbors to create enchanting pathways and magical outdoor spaces. Landscape wall wash lighting involves evenly illuminating vertical surfaces, creating a gentle and relaxing glow. Make your home's exterior walls a canvas for light, adding depth and dimension to your property. Create an intimate atmosphere by wall washing privacy screens and fences, enhancing both aesthetics and security. When designing your landscape lighting, don't forget about the practicalities. Choose LED fixtures, which are energy efficient and have a long lifespan. They also offer various color temperatures to suit your desired ambience. Consider your neighbors and the environment by minimizing light pollution. Use shielded fixtures to direct light where it's needed and avoid contributing to light pollution. Inspect and maintain your lighting fixtures on a regular basis to ensure they continue to perform optimally. Clean lenses and replace bulbs as needed. Modern landscape lighting often incorporates advanced control systems for convenience and energy savings. Set timers to turn your landscape lights on and off at certain times, saving energy and ensuring your space is well lit when you want it to be. Utilize smart technologies to control your landscape lighting via smartphone apps or voice commands. This enables dynamic and customized lighting schemes. Lighting fixture placement is critical to attaining the desired impact in your environment. Consider the following principles. Create depth and dimension by layering different types of lighting, such as ambient, task, accent, and decorative lighting. This approach adds complexity and visual interest to your space. Properly shield or angle your fixtures to prevent glare and create a softer, warmer illumination. Achieve balance by carefully managing the interplay between light and shadow. Shadows can enhance the beauty of your landscape by adding texture and depth. Landscape artificial lighting is an art form that allows you to paint your outdoor space with light, revealing hidden beauty and creating captivating nighttime environments. Outdoor artificial lighting is the alchemy that turns your outside area into a magical realm after dark. It's about creating a pleasant atmosphere, emphasizing the beauty of your landscape, and enhancing safety. By understanding the different types of lighting, mastering fixture placement, and considering practical factors, you can bring your outdoor space to life in the evening hours. Whether you embark on a DIY project or enlist professional help, the enchantment of a well-lit landscape is within your reach. So, illuminate your world and let your outdoor space shine with its unique brilliance.